We'll guide you through how to play file using FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, you should know that installing FFmpeg also automatically installs a hidden, built-in media player called FFplay. First, open your File Explorer and locate the specific video or audio file that you want to test or preview. Right-click on your media file, select the Rename option, and safely change it to a simple and easy-to-type name, exactly such as media.mp4. Next, click on the directory path located in the address bar at the very top of your active File Explorer window to highlight it. Type cmd directly into the address bar and firmly press Enter to immediately launch the command prompt exactly in this folder location. Instead of typing the usual FFmpeg command, you will securely type FFplay to access the built-in playback engine. Add a space, smoothly type -i to effectively indicate your required input file, and then safely add another space. After that, carefully type the exact name of your file, which in this specific case is simply media.mp4. Your complete command is extremely simple and should perfectly look exactly like this. Play space-i space media.mp4. Firmly press Enter directly on your computer keyboard to successfully execute the command and instantly start the playback process. A brand new, beautifully minimalist video player window will instantly pop up right on your active screen and automatically begin playing your selected media file. You can incredibly easily control this active player manually using convenient keyboard shortcuts. For a clear example today, simply press the standard spacebar to incredibly quickly pause or smoothly resume the active media playback. If you actively want to quickly skip forward completely through the playing video, smoothly press the right arrow key directly on your computer keyboard to flawlessly jump exactly 10 seconds ahead. You can also actively press the standard left arrow key to quickly rewind exactly 10 seconds, or creatively use the up and down arrow keys to effortlessly jump smoothly forward or backward by 1 full minute. Once you are completely finished actively previewing your chosen media today, simply press the standard Q key or the Escape key directly on your computer keyboard to instantly close the player window and successfully return directly back to your terminal.